Let's bow our heads and let's all pray. Let's reminisce to them hallways. Come to think about it, we came a long way. I still feel on thin nights with hot skates coming for what's mine. I'm embracing the grind, but I'm running out of patience and time. But I keep waiting in line. Lately I've been praying for forgiveness harder, cause I heard the sins of a father cast upon the daughter. I just jumped into the skillet from out of the boiling water. By time I started thinking about tomorrow, I'm growing up. Man, my family's actually proud. I hear the thunder, but I think I see a crack in the clouds. I've been living wrong for oh so damn long. All the seeds I've sown, I've been trying to mend these fences and the miles of burning bridges. So Lord, can I get a witness? Can I get a witness? Made a decision to be a dad in the world full of fatherless kids. They fucking need us bad. I thank this music for giving me a future, but I'm nervous cause I feel like I could lose it. I've been going through it. My anxiety's at an all-time high, but I do best when it's all on the line. I told my daughter, be the hardest worker in the room and swallow your pride. If you do that, then it all will be fine. I promise you that. I know what it feels like to get bullied in real life, to get your ass kicked and still fight. Emotions are roller coasters buried deep in the sea. Beneath the surface is a circus no one's eager to see. I've been living wrong for oh so damn long. But when the leaves are falling, gotta weed the garden from all the seeds I've sown. I've been trying to mend these fences and the miles of burning bridges. So Lord, can I get a witness? Can I get a witness?
Sister left when I was 8, she was addicted to drugs. I told my friends at school about it, but all they did was judge. She made her decision, she left me behind. She thought she was right, but she was out of her mind. Almost 11 years old, now it's time for me to know. My mom was in and out of jail and she ain't coming home. Bullies always point their fingers, they laugh and they giggle, cause my heart has a little cut through the middle. Like my old man says, time heals all wounds. Give me a little time and I'll be better than new. We all know about pain and how to play the game. Just stick by my side, the sun shines after the rain.
Does the sun shine after the rain? Does the sun shine after the rain? Does the sun shine after the rain? Do the clouds part after the pain? Do the clouds part after the pain? Does the sun shine after the rain? It's what I need to finally change.
सामली में आकर तू देखिए बड़क, यूपी उन्नी वाले मेरे यार से कड़क। सामली में आकर तू देखिए बड़क, यूपी उन्नी वाले मेरे यार से कड़क। फोन जो करे तो सारे गेल में खड़े, सांझ के टाइम पावे ठिके पे पड़े। फोन जो करे तो सारे गेल में खड़े, सांझ के टाइम पावे ठिके पे पड़े। पिए बच्चे फिर साढ़े तोड़े जेवड़े, यार बेवड़े रे मेरे यार बेवड़े। दिल के ससाप मेरे यार बेवड़े, यार बेवड़े रे मेरी जान बेवड़े।